Hey everyone, welcome back to Brainy Bite. Today, I'll show you how to hide or unhide photos on Android phone and enhance privacy on Gallery. Let's get started. First, open the Gallery on the Android phone. After that, access your albums by selecting the albums icon at the bottom of the screen. You will see all the photo albums available there. Now, you can either long press the album you want to hide, and from the pop-up options, select the Hide option to hide the album. Tap on OK to confirm. As you can see, the album has been hidden. You can also open the album you want to hide, then tap on the three-dot icon and tap on the Hide option available there, and select OK to confirm. Now to unhide the album again, tap on the three-dot menu at the top right of the album page. Then select the Settings option available there. After that, tap on the View Hidden Albums. Here you will see all the hidden albums. Now tap on the Unhide button just beside the album you want to unhide. Finally, go back to the album page again to see all the albums. And you can find all the previously unhidden albums there. And that's it. You now know how to hide or unhide photos on Android phone. Subscribe to Brainy Bite for more Facebook tutorials. See you next time.